Don't I look snazzy today? I don't. I kind of do. I was gonna start this right when I woke up, but I thought I broke my camera and had a little like cry about that, and then realized the battery was just dead. And then I realized I lost the charger, and anyways, it was an ordeal. But you guys have seen me do my makeup like a million and one times, so I'm not really feeling too bad about it. Anyways, I'm gonna take you guys along on a day with me. I'm using the wrong tripod. It's very short and stubby. I don't know where my Gorilla fake one went. So, okay. Here is the fit check. Not standing up. Just have this cropped cardigan from American Eagle on. This necklace from Reclaim Vintage. American Eagle jeans. And this is the friggin' worst tripod ever. I've already started like doing things. I have a whole list of things to do today. I got up early today thinking my nutritionist appointment was at 9, but it's actually at 10. So that was my bad, and now I don't know what to do other than go make breakfast. So now I'm just gonna eat my breakfast, watch some YouTube, and then I'm gonna get to work right after. So see you on the flip side. I'm about to go to my nutritionist appointment in about 10 minutes, but right now I am just filling out some legal documents because I gotta take some stuff to the landlord tenant board. Yes, that's what I'm doing right now. And then right after my appointment, I'm going to go for a walk because it looks like it might rain, I guess. Let me check. Yes, it's supposed to rain this afternoon, so I'm hoping that I can get a walk in before that actually happens. Leaving my room. I haven't really had too much of sustenance today since breakfast. I had a couple of Lays, and then I also had like I got this like pastry. It's like a vegan carrot cake. Which kind of lasted me the whole day, but now it's like 5 o'clock almost and I'm hungry again. I ordered from this restaurant called Gorilla Burger, and they make vegan mac and cheese, so I'm just gonna warm some of that up. It's from like a few days ago, so I'm a little bit nervous that it'll give me food poisoning. Nothing I can't handle, I suppose. I guess while my mac and cheese is cooking, oh, the light's about to get real bright. Ooh, I can tell you guys about, okay, you know what? Little mag in here. I'm currently working on a documentary. We're in like really early stages of production. Hopefully we're gonna start shooting in the summer or fall time, but it's my thesis and my pitch got picked for like one of the feature films, which is really exciting but has consumed my life entirely. So all day I was basically on calls for that, and tomorrow I have a call for it, and the day after I have a call for it.
The next day.
It's 11:30 and I just like half an hour ago finished my appointment with my psychiatrist. So we just kind of went over my medicine that I'm on and booked our next appointment for next week. Now I'm patiently waiting for my doctor to call me so that hopefully I can figure out what's wrong with my hormones. And then after that I have therapy, and then after that I have an interview for a documentary that I'm working on. And I think I started talking about it yesterday, but basically I'm working on a thesis film. And my pitch got picked, so we're doing a documentary on sex work, and kind of debunking the negative stigma behind it, if that makes sense. So I have an interview, like a research interview for that today. After that I have nothing until 5, and then at 5 I work. So I'm hoping in that little gap of time that I can go for a walk, because I wanted to go this morning because it's so pretty and sunny out today, but I woke up at 7:30 and I couldn't get out of bed, which has been a really awful side effect of my medication, of just constant fatigue. And so I've just been letting myself sleep in the last few days, because pushing through it has been way more detrimental to my physical health, in terms of like my muscles being like garbage. So hopefully I'll be able to go out for a walk. I just paid a huge sum of money to pay my utilities from July until today, which was insane. It was like $1,000. So there goes a lot of my money. It says I have a 28 cent balance. How does that even make sense? Oh, I overpaid 28 cents. Okay, I'm just gonna do some work now. Thank you. I'm really scared for my doctor's appointment, so I'm gonna put on some overpriced lipstick. This is a Bobbi Brown lipstick that I spent like way too much money on. This is a Bobbi Brown lipstick. It's the crushed lip color in Rich Cocoa. I spent like $30 on it. That's so interesting. There's so many more ins and outs than I guess we can find online, that you kind of have to be in it to understand it. So it's really helpful that you mentioned that. Imagine if I forgot that I was doing things. Anyways, the last clip that you would have seen was me doing a research interview. Now I'm making lunch. I'm making some peanut lime chicken, or peanut lime tofu. This is the sauce, and then we got our tofu, and then we got our rice. I did have my calls with my doctor, so now I actually need to call my mom. Here is my lunch: peanut tofu with lime, basmati rice, and then peanuts. I'm excited to eat it. I just went to Starbucks and got the new grande brown sugar oatmeal or oat milk espresso. It's pretty good, actually. I highly suggest it. I'm now about to start work, but it's so bright in my room that I cannot see my monitors. I'm kind of bored, so I'm gonna quickly sort through my closet. I do, like, at the beginning of every month, like a quick little closet clear out, because I have so much things that I do not need. So instead of doing homework, I'm gonna do that. Not that this is huge or anything, but the fact that I managed to fit all of my clothes in here is amazing. All I have is this clothes. It's actually a lot of clothes. This clothes, and then I have drawers in my bed, which is my pants. It's a lot of clothes, but it's all hung up, so it feels like a lot more, because like you can see at least half of my wardrobe here. But I swear I've cut down so much. I used to have both drawers in my bed, filled. I used to have like this whole thing. I just cleaned it out. Now it's just like underwear, workout stuff, and then an empty drawer, but all of that used to be stuffed with clothes. So I've done such a good job in the last like few months of like really reducing how much clothes I have. I still keep buying more because my style is changing and my body has changed a lot throughout the pandemic. But I also found out today that I have some sort of like insulin thing. It's not diabetes, it's like the opposite. I make too much insulin. I didn't really understand my diagnosis, but it has something to do most likely with my ovaries. So apparently there's a high risk that I have polycystic ovaries, and I'm going to get that checked out in a few weeks. But my body is going to change more because I'm being put on a treatment that is supposed to regulate my insulin levels so that I'm not overproducing anymore. I did ask, it's not diabetes. It's not type 2 diabetes, it's not type 1 diabetes. It's not a heart condition, and it's not like cholesterol, blood sugar, nothing like that, or cholesterol, blood pressure, etc. I'm perfectly healthy in all of those categories, which I was surprised about too. Like I was like, I'm not the healthiest sometimes, especially not over the pandemic. More recently I am because I'm working with a nutritionist, but my body will most likely change in the next couple of months a lot, which is weird to think about. Because I feel like I'm just growing to like appreciate the body that I'm in now, and knowing that it's going to change a lot is insane to think about. I'm okay with it though. It's not like a sad thing for me. I'm trying to love my body no matter what it's doing, but I'm very interested to see what happens, so maybe I'll document that. I don't know. I have to go pick up my medication tomorrow. I think this video has to go up tomorrow, but the last 2 days have been so boring that I think I'm just gonna start vlogging tomorrow. Like vlog the beginning of the day. I don't know.
The next day.
It's not early, it's almost 9 o'clock, but I literally don't wake up in the morning. I have such a hard time. My body is still sore. I don't know why. I'm just so overexhausted, so I'm not gonna work out, but I do have to go pick up my prescriptions, so I'm gonna get up and shower and then hopefully do that quickly. I want to sleep. I hope you guys like the clip of me waking up. So I obviously showered, but I'm worried about how my hair is going to turn out because I realized when I got in the shower that I had a very minuscule amount of shampoo left in the shower. I have lots of it in my room, but I was already wet and in the shower, so I didn't want to get out and get it. So I'm very concerned at how this is going to turn out. Second of all, I'm starting to like work up my weekly calendar. Started the morning on a productive note, I guess, which is good. I'm literally wearing the same outfit as Monday, except I changed my jeans. I bought a pair of Levi's Plus jeans, and I bought a few pairs. I've been trying different pairs, but none of them fit me right, and I'm very confused about it because I measure myself and my measurements are supposed to fit them perfectly, but like the ones that I've been wearing that I took the tags off, I would return them if I didn't take the tags off, but I got them on sale for like 30 bucks, so it's not the end of the world. They just fit me funny. They like sag at the butt. All of the ribcage ones are the same way, so I'm kind of confused. I'm just a little bit too big for the straight size ones as well. Anyways, now I'm ordering coffee and going to see my friend that lives in the building. We usually just like hang out and do work together because it's the smallest sense of normalcy we can have, and because we live in the same building and don't really see anybody outside of like each other, it is fine to see. I think it's fine to see for us to see each other, especially since like we're a bubble, and according to the rules, as long as like you're in a like 2-person or less household, you can go to another household with 2 people or less. And one of my roommates never came home, so I'm going to be getting the Starbucks just came out with oh my god, no way, they're already sold out. That's so sad. I really like this drink. I got it yesterday. I hope it's not because they don't have oat milk, because I only drink oat milk. So yeah, I'm just grabbing coffee and then going down. It's much later in the day, but I did get a package in the mail. Not having good shampoo really screwed me over. But I got a couple of bras. I got this pink one. I had this bra in like white and the underwire snapped. I was really bummed about it, so I ordered this, but it just doesn't fit the same. It's in the same size and everything. I don't really understand what happened. The cups are too small, but it's the exact same bra, so I don't know what happened there. Then I also got this bra. It's like really cool. So it looks like this. I thought it was a front clasp because the back is like insane, but no, it's still a back clasp, so it's kind of like hard to get on, but it's really pretty. My cup size is like my whole head. I wish I'd actually ordered a second one of these, but this one was really expensive. This is the Falconet bra, and it's slightly lined, but it was $60 US, so probably close to like 72. I got it on sale though, like it was $40 I think, and I desperately needed a nude like white bra, so it's fine. I don't really mind, and it fits pretty well. It's really comfortable as well. So now I'm gonna go for a walk, and while I'm out on my walk, I'm gonna go return my Levi's jeans, my ribcage jeans. But today I've been wearing my American Eagle mom jeans, and they're the curvy mom jeans, the stretch curve mom jeans, and honestly I can't believe that I was ever gonna like get rid of these. They're so much more comfortable. They're a little tight when you get them out of the dryer. I need to take my birth control. They're a little bit tight when you take them out of the dryer. Now that I've been wearing them, they fit perfectly, and I don't wash them that often. I don't really wash my jeans that often at all. My hair still looks like it's wet. Like, that's gross. It's gross. I'm just here to wrap up this vlog. I hope you guys did enjoy it, even though my life is really boring, and I don't really leave my room very often. Yeah, that's kind of it. If you did enjoy it, leave it a thumbs up. If not, sorry. Subscribe. That's fun. Okay, bye.